Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Indian Value Investor. Today we are going to speak about ITC Limited. It is established in 1910. ITC is the largest cigarette manufacturer and seller in the country. ITC operates in 5 business segments like cigarettes, FMCG others, hotels, paperboards and packaging, agribusiness and information technology. FMCG cigarette. ITC is the leader in organized domestic cigarette market with a market share of over 80%. Its wide range of brands including Insignia, India Kings, Classic, Gold Flakes, American Club, etc. Second segment is FMCG others. It has a 25 mother brands spread across multiple FMCG sector. Popular brands include packaged foods like Ashirwad, Sunfeast, Bingo, Hippie Noodles, Candyman and Minto. Personal care brands like Savlon, Fiamma, Vivel and Superia. Stationery products like Classmate and Prefercraft. Apparels WLS. Agarbattis, Mangaldeep and AIM matches. ITC's third segment is hotel business. Hotel business is launched in 1975. ITC Hotels is one of the fastest growing hospitality chains in India. It is the second largest hotel chain in India with 108 hotels at 70 locations in the country, operating across multiple market segments. Room inventory of 2,90,000 rooms. Fourth segment is agribusiness. ITC is the second largest exporter of agri products from the country. It trades in feed ingredients, food grains, marine products, processed fruits, coffee, etc. It also exports leaf tobacco under its vertical. ITC is India's largest and world's fifth largest leaf tobacco exporter. And their fifth segment is paperboards, paper and packaging. ITC is the market leader in the value-added paperboard segment. It also India's largest converter of paperboard into high-quality packaging. The business caters to a wide spectrum of packaging, graphic, communication, writing, printing and specialty paper requirements. And if we see ITC business segment wise revenue and profit breakup, ITC segment wise revenue breakup, and they are getting 41% revenue from cigarettes, 27% revenue from FMCG other business, 19% revenue from agribusiness, 11% revenue from paperboards, paper and packaging, and 2% revenue from hotel business. And if we see the ITC segment wise profit breakup, they are earning 82% profits from cigarette business and 5% from FMCG other business, and 7% from paperboards, paper and packaging, and from agribusiness they are getting 5% profits. And they have posted 3% loss in hotel business in the month of December. And you can see major contributor for their profits is 82% from cigarette. Cigarette is the main business for the ITC. ITC's leadership. Sanjeev Puri, he is the chairman and managing director of ITC, effective from May 13, 2019. He studied in IIT Kanpur and Wharton School of Business. He joined ITC in 1986. He has a very good experience in the business and he has more than 30 years of experience in the same company. And if we see the financials of ITC Limited, it has market capital of 2,61,255 crores, which is a large cap company, and currently it is trading at 212 rupees. And 52 weeks low and high, you can see 239 is high and 163 is the lowest. Stock PE, it is trading at 19.7 PE, which is a very attractive price. And you can see the dividend paying company. They are paying 4.78% of the dividend every year for shareholders. And ROCE, you can see 32.6 and return on equity is 24.8%, and it is a zero debt company. If you see the profit and loss statement, their sales is continuously increasing from 2009. It is 16,549 crores. Now you can see in March 2020 it is 49,388 crores. Their profits 3,325 crores in the year 2009 to 15,306 crores in the year March 2020. You can see they are continuously growing their business year on year. If you see the balance sheet, They have 57,853 crores reserves in the as on September 2020 in their account, and they have cash equivalents. You can see here 3,833 crores they have cash balance, which is a very good for the company. If you see the cash flow statement and shareholding pattern of the company, cash flows, they're continuously posting the positive cash flow from operations since 2009. If you see the shareholding pattern, they don't have any promoters for this company. It is a professionally managed company. So foreign institutional investors holding 12.79% of the stake in this company, and domestic institutional investors like LIC, other mutual fund companies are holding 42.5%. Public is holding 44.71% from this company. If you see the technical chart of the company, it is trading at attractive prices. Now it is trading at 212 rupees. You can invest in this company at current price, and if you want to invest, you can invest in SIP method, systematic investment plan. Monthly you can add some quantity of stocks to your portfolio so that you can gain very good returns in long term. And that's all for the video, friends. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe for the channel, and give your valuable comments.